Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little cars have arrived at a construction site. Tower cranes are working behind the fence. They are laying large concrete slabs. The purple car really wants to play at the construction site. Oh, it's so dangerous. It jumps from slab to slab. Oh, how scary. This is the tower crane's elevator. Little car, go down. Press the button. Nothing happens. The elevator doesn't move. That's strange. Come down, little car. It can't, because the platform won't lower. The little car is stuck. It's time to go for help. This is the helper car's garage. Just knock on the doors. The red garage door opens and a fire truck comes out. Let's knock on the green garage door. And on the blue one. Other cars are waiting inside. What kind can they be? The fire truck has already arrived at the construction site. It extends its ladder. But the purple car can't reach it. Its wheels are hanging in the air. Let's try and think of something else. An excavator with a claw is going to the construction site. And a pickup? How can these help? In the pickup's bed are rubber sheets and a compressor. Ah, I see. The helper cars are inflating a bouncy castle. It's safe to jump onto it. The purple car is very scared, though. Don't be afraid, little car. Look. Jumping on the bouncy castle is not scary. Will you try? It worked. The little car is saved. Now, let's fix the tower crane so the platform lowers and raises when the buttons are pressed. In the pickup's bed, there is machine oil and a wrench. Excavator, please use your claw to get the toolbox out of the pickup bed. A wrench, a gear, and motor oil. Look, one part is rusted and broken. Unscrew the bolt. Remove the damaged part and attach a new one. A bit of motor oil will make the parts run smooth. Now, just need to tighten the bolt. Let's check if everything works. The gears rotate, and the platform lowers. The little cars are very happy. The helper cars return to their garage. They'll have a new job tomorrow.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Look, a big ship is getting ready for launching. They are lowering it into the water. The decks of the ship are even wide enough for cars to use. And here are some passengers. The cars are really looking forward to going on a sea voyage. All aboard, little cars. Raising the anchor. Starting the engines. The propellers are spinning. The ship is on its way. The red car has gone up to the captain's bridge. From here, the captain steers the ship. And the green car has located the lifeboats. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. Purple car, careful, stop. It's dangerous to lean over the side of a ship. Let's take a better look at where we're heading. The weather's turning worse. There are icebergs ahead. We're going to crash. Turn the ship around. Oh no! The ice has broken through the port side. The ship is sinking. The cars are trying to get to the lifeboats. Don't forget to call for help. Quick, lower the lifeboats into the water. When they hit the water, the lifeboats inflate automatically. The rescue helicopters have heard the call for help. Their propellers start to spin. The helicopters are airborne. Jump, little cars, jump! Don't worry, red car. There's enough room for everyone. See the green car? Jump into its life raft. Well done. Now just wait for help to arrive. Hurrah! The rescue helicopters are here. The helicopters are lowering ropes and lifting the lifeboats into the air. Rescuing the ship will be much more difficult. It's big and very heavy. But 2 helicopters can handle it. Let's take the ship back to port. The helper cars will repair the ship there. Here they are. The truck has brought a lot of parts. The helicopters are flying the little cars to the garage. Now everyone is safe and sound. Thanks, rescue helicopters. It's good you arrived on time.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The construction vehicles are building a new track. The truck is delivering parts for the double loop. Small cars will be able to accelerate quickly and drive on the track upside down. And here come the cars. Wait, the barrier is still closed. The track isn't ready. To get around these loops, you need a powerful launch mechanism, and it hasn't been delivered yet. Look, the big cars are leaving. And the small ones, oh, they're going for a ride on the track without permission. Purple car, do you want to try? No, it's not working. The yellow car decided to do a bigger run-up. It's trying really hard. It passed the first loop. But with the second, oh, it rolled down. Not enough speed. Maybe the red car will succeed. It's going down the slope. Accelerating. The red car enters the first loop. Gets past it. But now the second. Oh, it fell down. Uh-oh, it's flipped over. Let's help it get back upright on its wheels. Look, the construction vehicles are coming back. The crane is getting the launch mechanism from the truck. Inside this mechanism, there's a powerful spring. It will accelerate the cars so they go very fast and don't fall. The track is fully ready. Green light. The barrier is open. Let's ride. Who is the bravest? Ah, the green car. Can it reach the finish line? We'll find out soon. Let's go. How fast and how easy. It already passed the entire track. Well done. Congratulations. Who's next? The blue car. And behind it, the red one and the yellow. Purple. Green. It worked! What a great track! Wow! The cars are following one another. There's plenty of space on this huge track for everyone. Oh, are you arguing about who goes next? Don't argue. Better to all come to the starting line together. This turned out so well. Both cars reached the finish line. A very brave puppy is riding in a convertible. Do you also want to ride on the new track? Yes? Then come to the starting line. The red car presses the button. Wow! The puppy is driving upside down. It worked for him. The helper cars did a great job. Time to return to the garage. Do you know why? Because the cars need to rest well. Tomorrow, they'll have new tasks waiting.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The yellow taxi is driving along. The kitten is sitting inside. This taxi is an electric car. Look, there's still plenty of charge in the battery. Oh, the bottom panel opened. It's right on the road. That's not good. The red pickup truck noticed the fallen part. It needs to pick it up and take it to the repair shop. The forklift puts the yellow panel into the pickup truck's bed. The road is clear. It's time to go. And the taxi arrives at the airport. That's where the kitten was going. Who's the next passenger? It's the puppy. Look, he has a suitcase. He must have just arrived from somewhere. Take the puppy home, taxi. The car is driving fast. Oops, one of the batteries fell to the ground. The lid wasn't there to hold it up. Sparks are flying out from under the taxi. Smoke is coming out. The car is pulling over. What if the taxi catches fire? We need help from the big helper cars. Out of the garage comes a fire truck, a tow truck, a crane, a road sweeper, and another taxi. The helper cars arrived just in time. The fire truck sprays foam on the taxi. You can't put out a battery fire with water. No more smoke now. The tow truck lowers its ramp. The crane gently lifts the broken taxi and places it on the platform. It's time to go to the repair shop. What about the foam? The road sweeper washes it away. The puppy calls for another taxi. Here it is. The passenger will be home soon. This is the repair shop. The door opens and the cars drive in. The broken car needs to be lifted and inspected. Here's the burnt battery. The manipulator takes it out to replace it with a new one. All done. The indicator is green again. Here's the pickup truck. Do you remember what it's carrying? It's the protective panel that will prevent the batteries from falling out again. Let's secure it properly on each side. Taxi, your repairs are complete. You can go. Safe travels. The helper cars are going back to their garage. I wonder who they will rescue next time.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
This is an airport. A little excavator is clearing the field for the airplanes and cars. There sure is a lot of snow today. Look, there's even snow on top of the control tower. Inside the tower, there's a sleeping puppy. Wake up, tower control. An airplane's coming in. The airplane is starting to land. It's already lowering its landing gear, but the runway is covered with snow. The tower refused permission to land. The puppy is off to bring some help. Here's the helper car's garage. Which of the helper cars can most quickly help clear the runways today for landing planes? The puppy is asking all of them to help. The snowblower is clearing the road. It scoops up the snow with its spinning blade and throws it to the side of the road. The front end loader collects the snow into piles. The plane is landing. Perfect landing. A Follow Me service car is waiting at the end of the runway. It guides the airplane to the parking area. A boarding stairs truck pulls up to the airplane's door. Now the passengers can exit. 4 kittens have arrived on the plane. A shuttle bus will take them to the airport terminal. A fuel truck is driving up. It's going to refuel the plane for its next flight. Inside the airport terminal gate, little cars are waiting. The kittens have just arrived, and the little cars are going to fly out on the same plane. The boarding stairs truck is at the airplane door. The little cars are going up to board the plane. The boarding stairs pull away and the door closes, but the plane can't take off yet. Look how much snow there is. This de-icing machine treats the airplane with special de-icing fluid. The plane mustn't fly with ice on its body and wings. Look how the snow and ice are disappearing. Great job! Thank you. The Follow Me service car shows the airplane the way to the runway. The tower has given permission to take off. Have a good flight, airplane. The cars are returning to the garage. Your task was really hard because it was so cold out there, but you handled it perfectly.